Good day to you. What I'm going to do today is just go through a quick summary of the live trades that I took using the Forex dashboard. It's Monday the 16th of March 2009, and yeah, these trades were taken just prior to the London session open. Okay, so I went long on the pound yen and my profit was 74 pips there. I had two positions and I took 80 pips on the one and 67 pips on the other one, so it averaged out at 74 pips. And then I went long on the at the same time on the pound US dollar for a total 78 pip profit, and I made an 11% gain on my capital today, so it was a very profitable day. Some of the other traders that were trading in the room had some really good results as well, some in excess of 100 pips, and yeah, so it was a very good day. If we just look here, here's the pound yen, and basically what happened here is you can see this red line over here. If we can just zoom in a bit there. Okay, if you see that red line, this red line over here, that represents the Frankfurt Open. Okay, so I've drawn in my lines of support and resistance, and as you can see there, I just want to zoom out a bit. Okay, so the line of support is over here, and you can see it was channeling before the Frankfurt Open. On the Open, you can see it spiked up. So if you were trading the Frankfurt Open, you would have seen that that was a good place to get in. Then this is a 15-minute chart, so a half an hour later it dropped down, and then on the Open here, you can see on this candle over here, the London market opened and we had our breakout, and so I got in a bit early here, but whether you got in there or just over there wasn't much of a difference. It was a nice move up. So I went, and I'll show you now the reasoning. Okay, so here's the dashboard, and essentially what you would see here is that the pound was dominant throughout the session from the Frankfurt Open. You could see that the pound was very strong, and the Japanese yen and US dollar were weak. And what was happening is the market, especially the US futures on the dashboard, were up around the 80% level, and that was putting pressure on the Japanese yen and the US dollar, weakening them. So your momentum was here for a long pound yen or pound US dollars. There wasn't much difference between the Japanese yen and the US dollar. So that was my reasoning. I looked for lines of a breakout for my lines of support and resistance, and then I just basically traded the breakout. And here you can see this is the pound US dollar, and that breakout, this was the Friday high, so it was a clear point of resistance there. On the Open over here, if you traded the Frankfurt Open again, probably would have been a better trade, but you could have still got in on the over here on this candle or this candle here, and it was a nice break up. We're looking at over 100 pips here on the pound US dollar. So yeah, those were the trades I took. I made a very nice profit for the day, and those who did trade with me also made a great profit. So if you have the available time and would like to trade with us, we trade every morning at 8 AM GMT. That's the London Open. And if you log on to my site, www www.forexwealth.blogspot.com. You just scroll down to the live trading room. I update the session there, it's on NetViewer, and you're welcome to join us there for our live trades with the Forex dashboard. Alright, I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.